Always follow the current maintenance manual and/or technical service document prior to performing maintenance. Inspect surfaces that will come in contact with Av-DEC sealant material and take corrective action based on current maintenance manual requirements. If using CIC, follow manufacturer's application instructions and ensure CIC is completely dry prior to the installation of any Av-DEC products. Proper priming is critical for product performance. Clean area where sealant is to be applied with a solvent-dampened cloth, followed by a clean dry cloth to remove any remaining paint, dust, grease, fingerprints, or any other contamination prior to installation. Check the expiration date on the outer package to ensure that the material has not exceeded the shelf life. Inside the package you will find preparation instructions, sealant cartridge, and one mixing straw. Remove the metal clip which retains the collar nut and unscrew the collar nut. Remove the green cartridge nose plug, discard the metal clip and nose plug. Slide the collar nut over the tip of the mixing straw and screw the collar nut with straw onto the cartridge. Hand tighten only. Depress button at rear of dispenser and pull plunger all the way out until it stops. Slide cartridge into dispenser, lining up grooves at the front, and press into place. Hold sealant dispenser with mixing straw upright. Completely fill mixing straw by slowly squeezing trigger of dispenser. Typically 2 full trigger pulls to fill mixing straw. Over a suitable waste container with the mixing straw pointing upward at a 45-degree angle and resin side over hardener side, prime mixing element by dispensing 1 full trigger pull of sealant into the waste container to remove air bubbles from the cartridge. Keeping the mixing straw pointing upward at a 45-degree angle, rotate the cartridge 180 degrees so that hardener side is over resin side, and dispense 1 more full trigger pull of sealant into the waste container to remove air bubbles from the opposite side of the cartridge. Note, once priming is complete, dispense sealant immediately, as sealant can begin to gel inside the mixing straw. If dispensing is halted for more than 30 seconds, install a new mixing straw on the sealant cartridge and reprime. Begin by applying to a small area, then use light and even pressure. Smooth out TS1228 with the brush. Continue to apply TS1228 to the structure in small areas and brush out smooth until the required area is covered. Periodically check the thickness of the product you're applying with a wet film gauge to ensure you are staying within the tolerance called out on your work card.